Technical characteristics of 35mm square wire, efficient conduction in high-power applications. Here are typical technical data for a 35mm square gauge wire. 1. Material used. The inner conductor of a 35mm square wire is generally made of copper due to its excellent electrical conductivity. Copper is often preferred for larger gauges due to its efficiency and lower electrical resistance. 2. Maximum electric current. The maximum electrical current capacity that a 35mm square wire can withstand depends on installation conditions and local electrical codes. Under typical installation conditions, this wire can handle currents in excess of 150 amps, but the exact capacity may vary. It is important to consult local electrical codes and manufacturer specifications to determine proper current capacity. 3. Common applications. 35mm square wires are often used in industrial and commercial applications to power large equipment such as high-power industrial electric motors, heavy machinery power systems, distribution panel electrical installations, and other high-power demanding devices. 4. Maximum supported temperature. The maximum temperature that a 35mm square wire can withstand depends on the type of insulation used. Standard PVC insulated wires typically withstand operating temperatures of up to about 70 degrees Celsius. If it is necessary to withstand higher temperatures, wires with insulation from heat-resistant materials such as silicone can be used, and they can withstand temperatures in excess of 100 degrees Celsius. Please remember that these technical data are general and may vary based on local codes, manufacturer specifications, and specific installation conditions. When dealing with high-capacity wires, it is crucial to consult a qualified electrician or electrical engineer to ensure compliance with all local safety standards and regulations.